In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grow your business with Facebook Marketplace. This platform provides a fantastic opportunity to reach a vast audience and expand your business effectively. Let's dive into the steps you can take to maximize your success on Facebook Marketplace. First, let's discuss optimizing your listings. This is a crucial step because the quality of your listings directly impacts how potential customers perceive your products. Make sure to use high-quality photos in your ads. Aim for bright, clear images that capture your product from multiple angles. This approach will give potential buyers a comprehensive view and help build trust in the quality of what you're offering. When it comes to writing titles and descriptions, detail is key. Include all relevant keywords that people are likely to search for to enhance the visibility of your listings. Be transparent about the price, the condition of the item, and any available delivery options to further build trust with your audience. Now, leveraging Facebook's reach is another pivotal strategy. Facebook Marketplace naturally connects you with local buyers, ensuring your items are seen by nearby individuals. However, you can amplify this reach by sharing your listings in relevant buy and sell groups, which exposes your products to a larger audience. If you're able to ship your products, enable shipping options to extend your reach nationwide. Engaging with potential customers effectively is another vital element. Respond quickly to inquiries either with auto replies or personalized messages. Providing excellent customer service is essential. Quick, thoughtful responses build trust and can significantly increase your conversion rates. Using Facebook ads is an effective way to boost your listings further. Consider promoting high-performing marketplace listings to gain even more exposure. With Facebook's advertising tools, you can target specific audiences based on location, interests, and demographic details. Retarget potential customers who viewed or messaged your listings but haven't made a purchase. This targeted approach can reignite their interest and lead to conversions. Building your brand presence on Facebook is equally important. Make sure to connect your marketplace listings to your Facebook business page. Sharing testimonials, reviews, and customer photos can help build trust with potential buyers. Additionally, utilize Messenger to stay connected with your customer base, offering opportunities for upselling or cross-selling. Ensuring your offerings are competitively valuable is key to standing out. Research your competitors' pricing and strive to offer better deals or more appealing terms such as bundle deals, discounts, or free delivery. Consistently deliver on your promises to maintain great reviews, as these are crucial to attracting new customers. Finally, continually analyze and improve your marketplace efforts. Keep an eye on which items are selling the fastest and adjust your descriptions, titles, and pricing based on what you learn. By reinvesting your profits into ads and stocking up on high-demand products, you can scale your business effectively. By implementing these strategies, you'll be on your way to successfully growing your business with Facebook Marketplace. Good luck, and may your business flourish.